It's going to bring you to the registration page, and the first question you're going to be asked, am I already a promoter? Well, this is for those who are creating their first TelexFREE account and for those who are wishing to create additional TelexFREE accounts under their original position. You are always going to say no. The next thing, you're going to double check again to see that you have the correct sponsor name in there. Again, if you do not, please do not proceed further. Go back and make sure that you get the correct link for your sponsor and that you're on their website page. Beside a session, you're going to see that option to become a partner for $50 already been marked. This is because everyone who joins must first register as a partner. In keeping compliant with regulations, this option is offered to those who do not wish to go into contract with TelexFREE to post ads, as well as other aspects of the compensation plan. This simply provides the option of only selling the software and earn commissions of 10% for each plan sold. What we want to do here is we do want to proceed and purchase a package. You do have the option of purchasing either an Ad Central for $289, or you can purchase an Ad Central family for $1375. In this instance, we are going to be purchasing an Ad Central for $289. Then you're going to proceed to fill in your information. What you're going to do is put in your username, and beside the username there's going to be a validate. You're going to click on validate. When you click on that and it comes up in green, that means that that username is okay. If it comes up in red, you'll have to put in a new username. You're also going to put in your password and confirm your password, and you're going to fill in your name. Now, you need to know here that the name that you register with must also match the name on the credit card that you're going to use and on the credit card authorization form that you're going to be sending into the company. And put your telephone numbers in. Here you're going to put your social insurance number in, email, street address, and down here under number, that's for apartment or unit numbers. Just make sure that that's numeric. You're going to put in your city, your state, and your postal code. Now, it does say only numbers here. If you happen to live in a country like Canada where the postal code requires that you use letter and numbers, that is okay. You can put it in, just don't leave a space. You can put your country in, and after you've read the terms and conditions, and you can click on this red lettering here, you're going to check the box beside it saying, I read and accepted the terms and conditions described above. When entering the security code, what I do here, just to ensure that the code will work, is I refresh it. I enter in the new refresh code, and I hit sign here. It's going to ask you, do you really want to sign up on the net of this promoter? What that is asking is, do you really want to sign up under this sponsor? I do, so I'm going to say okay. It says record inserted successfully. Okay. This will take you to a page where you are going to process your payment. For those who won't be paying by credit card, you're going to stop here. You will not proceed with the ProPay link. What you're going to do is you're going to log into your back office and you're going to click on invoice. It's going to bring you to a page where you're going to get your invoice number and the amount of money that you're going to need to send with your bank deposit. What's important to note here is TelexFREE will only let you use the same credit card up to a maximum of 2 times in any 1 month. For those who are not using credit cards or purchasing multiple positions, you will have to deposit funds into the corporate account following instructions outlined below. To use the corporate account, you can make a deposit at either the Bank of America or at the TD Bank. Write on the deposit slip your username and the invoice number you're paying. Scan a copy of the deposit slip into your computer and email it to the company at contato@telexfree.com. It is also important to note when sending your deposit for multiple positions, it cannot be done in one lump sum. Your deposit, depending on the package you purchase, can only be in the amount of 1 payment per username. For example, if you've purchased 5 additional packages, then you would send 5 individual deposits, writing on each the username and invoice that the deposit is to be applied to. I'm providing you here with the TelexFREE bank account information. When paying by credit card, we're going to click on the ProPay logo. It's going to say OK. And now we're at the page where we're going to fill in our credit card information. And when you finish it, you're going to click on the Pay Now button. Again, I want to remind you that the name on your credit card must match the name you used when you registered. You're going to get a pop-up message saying, your payment has been sent for analysis and will be released soon. You're just going to click OK. You're going to be taken back to TelexFREE website where you're going to log in with your username, your password, and put in the access code. Now you're in your back office. The next step is you're going to want to sign up for the TelexFREE customer plan. You're going to click on invoice. And this is going to bring you to a page where you will see that there's a pending invoice already created for your customer plan. You're going to click on PayJar, which will bring you to a page with your invoice for $49.90 and the ProPay link. You're going to click on ProPay, hit OK. And this is going to bring you to the page where you'll fill out your credit card information. After you've done that, you're going to click on Pay Now. Next, you're going to go to the top menu in your back office, and you're going to click on Your Data. This is going to bring you to the page where you'll see software and your number. What you're going to do is click on your number, and this is going to bring you to a page that you're going to use for your customer plan. You're going to fill in this number, and you're going to hit Save Now. You will have the option to change this number a maximum of twice per month. You might want to use this to assign to someone you are introducing to TelexFREE, and you want to give them an opportunity to use the plan. Filling in your telephone number and downloading the software does not have to be done right away, but I wanted to show you so that when you're ready, you will know how to do it. You will also want to download your software. There are videos to show you how to download the software and set it up. Now for the next step. What we want to do now is go to the top menu, click on Home, which is going to take us to our home page on our back office. We're going to click on Statement and Pay Bills. This is going to bring you to a screen that's going to provide you with the documents that you need to be sending to TelexFREE, and that would be your credit card authorization form and your government photo ID, either a driver's license or a passport. What you'll do is you'll just click on this button here and download the credit card authorization form. You're going to fill it out and put in your username for this account. You're going to put in the amount that you paid, the invoice number, the date, and the type of package that you've purchased. Then you'll fill in the rest of the information and sign it. What you'll do next then is scan it. You'll also scan your photo ID into your computer. Once you've scanned the documents into your computer, you hit Browse for your authorization form that you've uploaded to your desktop. Once you locate it, you're going to upload it to the site. Now, what's important to note here is that your credit card authorization form needs to be in a PDF format. If you've uploaded it with your scanner and it comes out as a JPEG, that's easy enough to change. You just save it as a PDF and then upload it that way. You're able to click on the icon here to just ensure that you've got the right document uploaded. Then you're just going to go and do your driver's license or passport. Once you've uploaded your photo ID and your credit card authorization form, you're going to see under status a green check mark. In order to make sure that the company receives your documents, you must click on this green check mark. After you've sent your documents, the screen will be refreshed and you're going to get this message, wait for approval. Let's click on the Home button, and you are going to see the message here that says, click here to upload your files, that you haven't uploaded your files yet. Well, just to make sure that you have, all you have to do is click here to upload files. It's going to take you back to your authorization screen, and you're going to see wait for approval. That means you have sent your document